Want to know how to get gifts in CoinMaster? Well, no worries. There are various ways you can receive or just simply get gifts. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. The first things first, you need to just simply open up your CoinMaster application. So we have also created various videos regarding CoinMaster, so make sure to watch it on our channel. So in order to get your gifts, on the top right side, you should be seeing this menu icon, the hamburger icon, just like that. So once I've selected that, here you should be seeing gifts, that's be right beside news, just like that. And now once I've selected gifts, here you can see free gifts, free spins, free coins and cards. So what you can do is you can just simply invite friends in order to get more gifts. So you can just simply select this send. So in every send, you'll get a free spin, as you can see right here, and these are your gifts, and that's it. It's the same for coins as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.